number of swamp birds have come back into the city. So these are species that have pretty much been locally extinct for more than 100 years. But as wild areas have developed through the quake, through abandoned areas, through new springs coming up, and through native vegetation colonising areas, things like the spotless crake, the marsh crake, Australasian bittern have all come back into the city. But over the last sort of decade or so, we've had increasing numbers of bellbird, and now the bellbirds are colonising parts of the city where there's lots of trees, and they're nesting in the city. And rather than flying back to the Port Hills, there's a part of the population which is now resident, and they're breeding inside the city and staying there year round.